Let's take it to the start. It was just me and my guitar, a dreamer on the road, no map, just all those stars. I never backed away, I played where I could play. Loneliness befriended me, felt older than my...
So I'm just going to be sharing with you all what she ate. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jessica Chonovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. So if this is what you're interested in, please stay tuned.
She left me lonely.
So I just finished washing the dishes, clearing the kitchen, and now I'm just tidying up the whole space, making sure everywhere looks organized and clean before I start cooking. So for breakfast, she's having this plantain and egg, but it will be a plantain frittata. Okay, so I just add my oil and I'll fry my plantain to be golden brown, and after that we'll fry our egg, normal way you fry your egg, and after that you put the plantain on top of the egg. So please enjoy the video and I'll talk to you guys.
I swear it's hard to believe she was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah. Nothing can tempt me. I'm staying at the house tonight. If I get a little antsy, I'm taking myself for a drive. I'ma need plenty solitude to feed my soul until I feel whole, but still she left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy. Got me back in on my knees. Oh.
So from after adding the plantain on top of the egg, I'm going to flip it so that it can cook for the other side, and the second side can also cook as well. You know, we have to give our toddlers a food that is really cooked, or our kids food that is really cooked. Yeah, so the food is ready. I'm just going to cut this as like a slice of pizza, and
You finished your food. It's finished. We finished it. Now let's drink. Drink tea.
so far for lunch we're having beans and plantain. That wants to help me to make the beans. This is how I cook my beans, and so that she too can also eat the beans and she don't purge or get heartburn. So normal way you cook your beans, guys. These are my ingredients: black pepper and crayfish, oil, and the rest. My beans is boiling. I'm using electric cooker to cook it. After the beans is ready, I will sieve out the water. Yes, guys. So after that, I fried the onions and pepper and crayfish together. You know, just I cook my beans the way I cook my jollof rice. That's how it works for me, because anytime I cook beans straight, I always have heartburn. So I just added my plantain now, and I'll mix everything together so that I'll add my remaining spices before I add my beans. And this is what we have, and after this is what I will be eating with baby girl. Hi fam, so this is the next day, and this is what we're going to be working with. We're going to be resetting this living space. My small madam has turned everywhere upside down for me, so I had to call her to order to come and pick up her toys and everything. And in some places you see her kind of crying because she needs to, you know, clean up her mess. She has to start cleaning up her mess as she's small now. Yes, so that's what I'm trying to train her and teach her how to clean up after herself. Yeah, so please keep on watching. If you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, after we finish packing the toys, I will lift the seats. I'll first of all dust the seats, then after dusting the seats, I will lift it up to see if there's any other toys under there, so I can remove it and clean there as well. Yes, I'm just dismantling my seat, then I will lift it up, and this is what we have. Lots of toys and dirt, so I'm just going to deep clean all this area. So guys, please keep on watching.
Let's take it to the start. It was just me and my guitar, a dreamer on the road, no map, just all those stars. I never backed away, I played where I could play. Loneliness befriended me, felt older than my age. I let go a little, I fell for something new. It was sweet for a moment, this love I never knew. He called me little dreamer and said I'd be okay. I let go of my ambitions and promised him I'd stay. Now all of my dreams are floating like a river in my head. At night in bed, talking to myself so wide awake. Oh, he kept telling me to let go of my goals. I never questioned, I just let go of my hopes. And now the vagabond lost herself to love, oh my lonely soul. And now I'm watching as he moves on toward the road. And I
So after sweeping the dirt, I will take my mop and mop underneath the sofa so that that area can be neat as well. I'm just going to be scrubbing it. I'm using Omo and Jig to scrub my floors. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, how long do you take it to clean underneath your sofa? And I was cooking rice and beans as well for lunch, so I was just kind of multitasking. Yeah, so I love rice and beans a lot. Yeah, I remember I cooked stew in my previous vlog where I went to the market and all. Thank you all so much for that video, you guys are the best. Yeah, so I'm just cooking rice and beans for lunch while I clean the living room. And if you notice, baby girl is not around because my nephew took her out, and me right here, I was just doing some lifting of the chair. Anything that I see, it used to do me like weight to lift something up. Don't mind me. Yeah, so please keep on.
I know you know we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts forever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever.
So guys, I'm washing my sofa. I saw a video on YouTube. It's a Kenyan YouTuber, and I saw the lady, she was washing her sofa, and I asked the question what detergent she was using to wash the sofa. She told me, but just that I can't get that detergent here in Nigeria. Is there any means of washing sofa using a DIY method? You know, as a toddler mom, your kids tend to pour and spill a lot of stuff on your chair, but you just have to, you know, wash it to make it look fresh and neat, so when you get visitors don't look at you and think maybe you are dirty or something like that. Yeah, so if there's any DIY hack I can use to clean my sofa, please drop it down in the comment section so that I can check those out, because to get a sofa detergent I've not seen. I have even checked online, like all these online stores that I do get things from, I didn't see it there. So if there's any DIY hack, let me know in the comment section. So please keep on.
This feeling, it will never end. I know you know we know we're on fire. The sparks in your eyes are what I desire. You're my light in the dark, even though you are tired. What I'm feeling now, I hope lasts for.
So I'll be using this window lint to clean my table. It's kind of like a glass table. Yeah, it's like a glass table. Yeah, so I'm just going to be cleaning this table. Then after this, I'll move to the TV stand. I'll dust that area as well. Make sure everywhere is dusted and all the old dust has, you know, left the environment, yeah, so that we can breathe fresh air.
She left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy. me begging on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was.
So fam, this is where I keep my oils for my diffuser and the rest. So we are going to be using lavender and I think I use tea tree or so. Yeah, lavender and tea tree. Yeah, I know lavender and tea tree can be used for hair. Yes, I know that. I'm using this as my room fresher. Yes, this makes the home smell so nice, so warming. You know, when you come inside your house and these two combination is it's on, like guys, this is really amazing. So I'm just going to mix it inside the water of my diffuser, then I will put it in the container and on it. Guys, this smells so amazing. Like after I on this, my home was smelling so nice after the whole cleaning and refreshing of my house. So after this, I decided to clean the door because I saw some dust around the door. You know, whites tend to get a lot of dust on them. If you don't take time, it start becoming very dirty. So I saw some dust around the whites. I had to like clean that out as well. So I had some clothes to bring inside because they have dried. I washed clothes previously and the clothes has dried, so I just had to bring them inside. Then I'm cleaning our parlor window because that one too was dirty. As I said earlier on, I was just doing like a deep cleaning, refreshing of my living space. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So fam, this is what my living space looks like after my whole cleaning and dusting and the rest. So, yeah, thank you all so much for tagging along with me in these 2 days. I really do appreciate, guys. Please watch my ad. It's a way for you to support this my little channel. You can super chat me, you can join my membership, the one your pockets and the one the Lord leads you to. So I'll see you all in our next video. Sayonara from here. Bye.